What's the meaning of allosaurus? Allosaurus. 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 Allosaurus.
Allosaurus is a genus of large carnivorous theropod dinosaurs that lived around 155 to 150 million years ago in the late Jurassic period. The name Allosaurus means different lizard, referring to its unique concave vertebrae. It is one of the most well-known and studied dinosaurs, with fossils found primarily in North America and Europe. Allosaurus had powerful jaws and teeth, and likely hunted in packs. Its size and strength made it a dominant predator of its time, and it remains a popular subject of scientific research and public fascination.